Hello everybody, for today's video we're going to do unboxing of this products that I'd like to try, Vichy. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So in this box there are five different beauty products. The number one product that can be found inside this box, Daily Booster. Second one is the Day Cream, Neovadiol Perimenopause Day Cream. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry if I did the pronunciation wrong. Third item, Neovadiol Meno 5 by Serum. 4, the Night Cream. The fifth is the Nercos Density Solution Shampoo. So these are the 5 items. Okay, now let's open. This is good for gift. By the way, this is not a sponsored by this company, okay? I'm just reviewing this since this is my first time using this particular items inside the box. Oh, I tried one here, the booster, the Daily Booster before, but that's quite a long time already, and it's only like 10 ml. It's so far it was a good one. These are the contents inside the box. So this is the Redensifying Revitalizing Night Cream. This is night cream. The purpose of it is the night cream tackles wrinkles, elasticity, and dullness. So this is the one. We'll open it. I don't have a scissors, so let's see. I never used this product before, so this will be my first time. This is Revitalizing Cream. It's night cream. Yeah. So this is 50 ml. We're going to smell it. We'll see the... So it's actually filled to the top, as you can see. There's a hole. It's hollow. Yeah, so it's actually filled. 50 ml. Okay, so that's the night cream. So it's night cream, yeah. Okay, the next one we're gonna see the booster. The Daily Booster. Yeah, the Daily Booster. Fortifying and plumping Daily Booster. This is 89% volcanic water, rich in 15 minerals plus hyaluronic acid. Is that the correct pronunciation for that? Hyaluronic acid. Yeah. So it seems, yeah, I had tried also the same size like this, and it's so far so good. I love it. Yeah. It's only 10 ml. 10 ml. This one. It's the Redensifying Lifting Day Cream. Day Cream. The purpose of this to smoothen skin, redefines contours, and improve elasticity. Let's see. Uh, it's uh, it's only 3 ml. 3 ml. Oh my god, it's so cute. 3 ml. Yeah. The next one, the serum, the By Serum. The By Serum. It tackles firmness, dark spots, radiance, wrinkles, and dryness. Okay, so it tackles firmness. It will make your skin firm, dark spots, radiance. Okay, it's not really big. It's just small also. 5 ml. Yeah, 5 ml. Huh? Yeah. So just a sample, right? Something sample. We'll see how this works, you know. So these are the contents of this box. Yeah, of this box. And so for the price, I got this for $63.95 plus a tax, of course. And its estimated value is around $83. Yeah. So next time I'm gonna show you how it feels, and especially this night cream, which so far is the biggest of all these products. Okay, and that's all for today's video, and I'll give you an update next time. Thank you for watching. By the way, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Please help my channel grow, and doing my best to provide as many videos per week, so it will grow. My channel has been for more than a year, and I was so busy, so this time, regardless of how busy I am, I'd like to push through my goal, and my goal in improving my videos, uh, providing you good content. Please feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.